living in a world where music's the heartbeat. There's a legend on the rise where the 12-piece setup blows and lights up the skies. The best drummer ever. He's got that golden glow. His rhythm's so contagious, makes you wanna know. He let go, he let go. He starts off with a whisper, a mere tickle on the snare. Then it feels like a crescendo, you can feel it in the air. He's got the power of a hurricane, the touch of a poet, gonna rock this house and make sure they know it. Drum solo, come in, he's the king of the rhythm in the land of rock and roll. And the stage ablaze with every single beat, got every single fan upon their feet. He's the best drummer ever, playing with the rage, feel the earth shake as he rocks that stage. His hands are blood, a symphony in motion. The way he controls those sticks is like a magical potion. The drums echo out, the sonic boom cymbals crashing, the bass drum trashing. You can feel it in your chest, heart beating, he's got no time to rest. A symphony of percussion, there is no debate, not up for discussion. The hi-hat sizzle, the snare cracks like thunder. He's the master of the drums from way down under. The crowd goes wild, their hearts in their hands, as he takes them on a journey through the rock and roll land. The soul knows a force like a meteor storm. It's a spectacle, a moment of pure boom. Flame and double bass, a whirlwind of sound. He's got the speed, he's got the style, he's got the crowd wound. A drummer so bold, a rhythm so grand. He's the best there's ever been in this promised land. As the solo fades, the silence deafens, the crowd's in a daze. The breath is fading, there's a roar of applause like thunder in the air. A tribute to the drummer with the golden hair. He's up loud with a knowing smile, the best drummer ever, he's gone the extra mile. And as the music fades into the night, we all remember that solo for the rest of our lives. Into the night, we all remember that solo for the rest of our lives.